Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to be showing the use of the Vezos PS200 and the Prodriver HD tonight. Here we are. We all set up the paint, running 325 tip in it like we always do. I have borrowed a Titan hopper. I can't take that 5-gallon buckets. I need some paint on me. The machine runs great. We've used this a bunch already. No issues. As always, Red knows me. I added extra light on the front to give my gun right here. Those dados painting. But it's been running good. No issues at all. Very smooth, no vibrations, just chugging away. So we're going to drive over and give the camera to the guy that works for me. He's too new to paint with this, so I will do this instead. So let's just rev this thing up.